Hello everyone and welcome back to Tutorials Hub, and this is your host Omer, and in this video we will be discussing how to connect and use AliExpress with TikTok shop. So it is going to be a pretty simple process. As well, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So now let's just talk about how you can actually connect both of these. To begin, you need to create an accounts for both TikTok Shop and AliExpress. Once you have both accounts, you are going to be setting up. So navigate to the left side of your TikTok Shop page, and then you are going to be clicking on apps and services. From there, search for drop shipping, specifically AliExpress, and select an integration platform like CJ Dropshipping. Then install the chosen platform and follow the prompts to connect to your TikTok shop and AliExpress account. And yeah, so basically this integration will allow you to manage orders, products, and payments seamlessly between two platforms. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys, and make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel, and it is going to be super amazing if you donate. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.